Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO T2 Pro, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and right here we have to scroll in order to find the section which is dedicated to the battery, right here. So let's tap on it and scroll down again. As you can see, we've got this option battery percentage, which is of course currently turned off in my case because I've got only the battery indicator. So let's simply tap on the switcher to apply the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, it's basically up to you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.